Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to chat on Badoo. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type badoo.com and hit on enter right now. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. Once you've logged in, something like this will open up the homepage. From here, what we need to do is simply go to chats. The button's right here in between likes and profiles, simply click on it. Do note, in order to chat with someone, you have to be matched with them. Right here, as you can see, I have been matched with two people. Simply click on the person that you have been matched with, and this will open up. Right here, as you can see, there's a text box right here. You can type your message. I simply typed a message, now I'm gonna send it. Well, it's giving me a notification like this. Whether I want to be notified when the person has replied, it's completely up to you. For now, I'm simply gonna click on yes. And do note that you can also send emojis. The emoji icon is right here. But do note that sending these emojis costs some credits. Right next to it, here's the GIF button. From here, you can send the GIFs. Do note that you can send a voice message as well. Simply click and hold on this mic button, and then you'll be able to send a voice message. Well guys, that's it. That's how we chat with someone on Badoo. It's as easy as that. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. This support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.